this ordinance reads in part, "It shall be unlawful for any person to address any assembly, meeting, or gathering of persons, or hold or conduct any public meeting, or make or deliver any public speech, lecture, or discourse, or sing any song, or take part in any public debate or discussion upon any street or alley within that certain district, downtown San Diego." Firstly, I would like to thank each and every member of the council for this long overdue repudiation of this heinous ordinance. And then I'd like for you to speak. I'd like to hear from each one of you, and I would like reassurance from you and from the mayor that by repudiating this hateful, illegal, and unconstitutional ordinance, we, the people of San Diego, will now be allowed to assemble, to speak, to teach, and to register voters, and sing and peacefully demonstrate in our civic center without the fear of intimidation, arrest, and violence to our person or property by the San Diego police. Will we be allowed to exercise our First Amendment rights to free speech, distribution of literature, and peaceful assembly without interference? Can I get someone to answer me now?
Sir, there's no interaction between...
This is an agenda item. You can talk.
Go ahead, sir.
It's an agenda item, Tony.
Comment. Well, we'll wait to hear from you.
Chase Fight, followed by Zanrin Jr., followed by Kevin Keenan.